Frustrated because you're working hard yet your monetization disappears overnight? YouTube is demonetizing a massive number of channels created with AI. If you believe that's the only reason, then you're seriously mistaken, because many channels have been demonetized that never used AI at all, and all their content was completely original. This clearly proves that YouTube does not have a problem with AI content. The real issue is repetitive and inauthentic content, and demonetization is not a mistake by YouTube's AI. In 2026, YouTube is deliberately targeting 5 specific types of channels that it wants to completely eliminate from the platform. If your channel falls into any of these categories, you must watch this video till the end, because your monetization depends on it. In this video, you'll learn exactly which 5 types of channels YouTube is going after and how you can protect your channel. Before we move forward, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to this channel to boost your knowledge and support my work. Also, hit the like button and share this video so others can benefit because of you. The first type of channels being targeted are Shorts channels that create 2D or 3D animation videos. For example, take a look at a channel like this. This creator is uploading their own original animations, not using AI at all. Yet, this channel has been demonetized. Why did this happen? Because they are posting the same context, not just content, but context. Context means the core idea, the story, the central concept. These creators are using animation, but they are recreating videos based on already viral stories from popular channels. Even if they redesign everything with new animation, the story remains the same. And that's exactly why YouTube is demonetizing these channels. The problem is not the content, the problem is the context. If you use 2D or 3D animation to recreate already viral stories from other channels, you are at serious risk of losing monetization, even if everything else is original. This example proves it clearly. The creator used no AI, created original animations, and even used their own voice, but still got demonetized. Why? Because the core idea was not original. YouTube's AI, like Gemini, is powerful enough to detect repeated context. It can identify if your video is based on an already viral story, even if it looks completely different. So stop blaming AI. The real mistake lies in ignoring originality of context. The second type of channels being demonetized are those using famous animation characters. For example, characters like SpongeBob or Disney characters. Even if you create your own animation using these characters, you will receive a child safety policy warning, and your channel can be demonetized. This decision is not made by YouTube alone. It's driven by major studios and corporations that sponsor YouTube. They do not want you making money from their characters. These characters attract children, and kids come to your videos because they recognize them. But the companies that own these characters do not accept this. So understand this clearly. YouTube is not trying to demonetize you. These companies are forcing YouTube to take action. The third category is Shorts channels that rely on commentary. These channels take someone else's video and add commentary over it. Important point, only Shorts commentary channels are being targeted, not long-form videos. Why? Because long videos provide deep commentary, engagement, and value. But Shorts only show a small clip, and thousands of creators are using the same clip with similar commentary. This makes your content non-authentic. No matter how much editing you do or how good your voiceover is, you will still face demonetization if your content context is identical to thousands of others. Again, the issue is not the content, it's the repeated context. The fourth type includes kids' channels with no clear purpose or story. For example, channels that show random characters doing strange actions with no storyline, no voiceover, and no meaningful content. Kids may watch these videos because of bright colors and fun visuals, but there is no real value. YouTube does not benefit from such content, and it will not allow these channels to continue monetizing. If your videos lack story, purpose, or structure, you are at high risk of demonetization. The fifth type includes low-effort channels. These are channels with poor voiceover, weak editing, and minimal effort, even if they have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. In the past, such channels could survive, but in 2026, YouTube is raising the standard. Now you must focus on high-quality voiceover, strong editing, powerful scripts. Even if your editing is simple, your script must be engaging enough to keep viewers hooked. In short, you need to put real effort into your content. Final advice and conclusion. If you follow these principles, create original context, avoid copyrighted characters, don't rely on repeated clips, add purpose to your videos, improve quality and effort, then you will not face demonetization. You cannot fight the system, but if you understand it and work according to it, success is guaranteed. Remove this misconception from your mind that AI channels cannot be monetized. Channels get demonetized because of repetitive content, inauthentic content, and no-context content. If you're creating high-quality, original content, even with AI, you are completely safe. Also, when uploading AI-generated content, always select Yes in the Altered Content option to keep your channel 100% safe. Don't feel disappointed, don't lose motivation, and don't fear AI. Just focus on working hard and creating powerful content, and success will come. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share it with your friends so others can benefit too.